In a tiny workshop full of scrap lived a big dreamer. Leo wanted to fly, but none of his inventions worked. But great inventors never give up. That night, a brilliant idea sparked in his mind. Bolt by bolt, his dream began to take shape. It was his most ambitious invention yet, and also his riskiest. At first, it seemed like another failure. But then, magic happened. Because dreams are meant to take flight,